Samsung is set to introduce its newest flagship phones, the Galaxy S24 series, in January 2024. Though the official announcement is yet to happen, plenty of information about these phones has surfaced online. The premium variant, Galaxy S24 Ultra, will likely feature a titanium frame with color options like titanium black, gray, yellow, and violet. Meanwhile, the regular S24 and S24 Plus might come in black, gray, yellow, and violet colors, with rumors hinting at additional options like orange, purple, and white, based on leaked images of SIM card trays. Regarding the camera setup, while the S24 Ultra maintains a 200-megapixel main camera, enhancements in night mode and low-light performance are anticipated for both photos and videos. Samsung's focus seems to be on maximizing the potential of this camera sensor, potentially introducing a default photo resolution of 24 megapixels, promising better image quality. Now let's discuss the pricing strategy. Samsung plans to keep prices reasonable compared to the previous year's models. The S24 is estimated to start at $699, the S24 Plus at $999, and the top-tier S24 Ultra at $1,199. Additionally, Samsung intends to offer attractive pre-order deals, including complimentary Galaxy watches or earbuds, along with trade-in offers tailored for current Galaxy S22 series users. Samsung is achieving this pricing balance partly due to the use of its own Exynos 2400 chip in select markets. By leveraging this chip in some models, they can cut costs while retaining the features and AI capabilities seen in the higher-end variants. Now let's dive into the specifics of each model. Galaxy S24. This phone comes with a 6.2-inch display, a 120Hz refresh rate, a 12-megapixel front camera, a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, depending on the region, 8 gigs of RAM, and storage options of 128 gigs or 256 gigs. It supports 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7, runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14, and is estimated to launch at $850–900. Galaxy S24 Plus. This model features a 6.7-inch display with similar specifications to the S24, but with an improved Quad HD Plus resolution, 12 gigs of RAM, and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs. It's expected to launch at around $1,050. Galaxy S24 Ultra. The most premium variant comes with a 6.8-inch display, a 200-megapixel main camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, up to 12 gigs of RAM, and storage options of 256 gigs or 512 gigs. It supports 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14. The expected launch price is around $1,250. As we move closer to the launch date, more details will likely emerge, and I'll continue to share updates. Peace out.